So we are tearing out all these windows. There's only 6 openings, but it's obviously a lot more windows. We're tearing off all the siding so we can get to the nails and everything. We'll be pulling out this big middle one first, working our way down. So over a certain area of glass, it has to be tempered. So that big center window is tempered, which means it's a lot stronger, but also a ton heavier. Yeah, I think it's gonna look really good. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Once we have the new ones in, we'll flash the sides, obviously refasten them and then put the siding back up, and it'll look good as new. On the house was 37 windows, I believe like 28 openings, so it's gonna look amazing. Yes, sir.